G'day guys, Scotty here from The Hook and the Cook and welcome back to our channel. I'm heading out today with Dave Austin to chase squid. We're heading offshore, it should be a good day. Weather's fantastic, we're just waiting for the boys to arrive. Morning Mr Squid. Beautiful morning.
Freezing morning.
Hey?
Freezing.
Hi guys.
Hi,
Isaac. Omar?
Yeah.
Bill. How you going, boys?
Myself.
Got the boys on board.
Hey, good day,
Yeah,
mate.
mate, let's go. Come on. Alright.
Let's go and get amongst them.
Stuff like that, you get a snag. If you get a snag, just call me, I'll try to shake it off. A lot of guys will tell you to fish light. You know? Fish light, you're gonna lose jigs, yeah? Alright. Now, sometimes you need to fish light if you're fishing land-based because you've got a cast. So what you want to basically be doing is I use the PE1 1.0, which is a Siglon. So just move it behind it.
Got a squid on down the back here.
Yes, we do.
Second one for the day. Here it comes. Oh, nice size squid.
Nice. They love that damage to the cloth, Scotty.
Okay, they
That's
love
the
that.
secret. That's the secret.
The big jig.
Let them think what they
Good
want.
stuff. Excellent
I
job.
can say anything in your belief.
So Dave's just given the boys a rundown. We've got a couple of squid so far, Dave.
Pink's working, man.
Pink's working. Excellent.
Get my jacket off.
So not a bad
We got another
start.
one. We just lost another one. Stop swearing. We're on camera.
You don't tell me the camera's on.
Boys are having fun. There we go. We got one on.
Slowly. No,
Let's just come around.
It's nice and easy. If he pulls, let him go.
I want.
We got another. No, he's just. That's a snag. That's good. You're hitting the bottom.
Here he goes. So we've got a nice squid on coming up.
I got my squid lad.
There we go.
Hey, always leave over a rod length.
Yeah.
Now what you want to do is wind your rod back like, no, keep it like that so I can reach it.
Yeah.
Set your hook.
You honest?
No, hit the bottom. So blackjack, boys, see?
Blackjack going hard.
And you got the headshot, Scotty, look at this.
Wow.
Got the headshot, I was just trying to squint the camera. That's the one, look at that.
Okay, Dave, we've kicked off this morning. We've done okay.
Yeah, it's been about an hour or so. We're up to 8 squid.
Pretty windy out here this morning from that northwest. Pretty cold.
The white caps are just starting to show, yes.
What jigs have we been using?
Mate, the one that's been firing at the moment, they're on the hooks and someone's lost a few of them. Have I got any? There's my momentum.
Oh, look at that.
That one there's caught about 50, so we've been using that one. That one's been firing up today. Okay, these ones aren't available anymore. That's like a Z3, I think it's called.
Right.
But the owner ones here have accounted for a couple. We've caught one on the blackjack. We've got a pink one that's out on the rod at the moment.
These are your newer ones, are they?
These are the ones that are built by owner Japan.
Yep.
So what they've got is they've got UV bases. That's got a gold UV base, that blackjack. So the black cloth under the gold UV. That one's got a gold UV base under a red cloth.
Yep.
We've got a pink one there that's under a silver UV base.
Right, okay.
And this orange one here is under a gold UV base as well. So
Which is this one here, is it?
yeah. So look, most of the time, if you bought a set of these off the website, the 4 of those jigs would probably, if you didn't have any jigs in your tackle box, something there should work on any given day. So, and that's the other thing, Scott. It's not just about using my jigs. I've told the guys, there's other brands out there. There's other great brands that Shimano do, that Yamashita do, that Yozuri do. Basically the idea is use what works best for you. You know what I mean? Don't have to listen to me or anything else. But we're here to promote my product, to show that we're catching squid. So we're up to our 350th squid in 14 sessions on these Southern Calamari charters with you, Scotty. So I've got to thank you for that.
Yeah, no worries.
And that was exclusively using eggy head jigs. So clearly they work just as good as the competition. And you can get them on the website. Let it go, buddy. Pick it up and just drop it straight back in. Go, drop it in.
Yes.
Well done, number 30. We let him go.
See you next time.
That's the same one.
What a legend. Nice work, boys.
Good way.
Scotty, how you going?
Good, Dave. Good. We've had another good day on the water, catching squid.
Yep.
We're just going to do our count and see how many we've actually caught today.
Pop this underwater and
One. 2.
Oh, look at that one.
3.
He's a cracker.
He's a cracker. 3. That's my one. 4. 5. 6. 7. Southern Calamari charter, Scotty.
Yeah.
Again.
8.
8. 9.
10.
11. 12. 13.
His little fella, will let him go.
13. 14. 15. 16. 17.
Little one, we'll put him back.
18. 19. 20.
You get a jigger head, Scotty.
20. 21. 22.
22. Yeah. And
22.
23.
23.
And a little one to go back.
23. So 23, Scotty.
23.
And we dropped 3 boys. We dropped 3. Two got away when we lifted them, and one got snatched by the seal. So that's 20.
Seal, yeah, the seal took one, and we put 3 or 4 back. So it's the smaller ones back.
So 26 all up. What a day.
Pretty good day. Pretty good
Boys,
day.
give us a wave to the camera.
Yeah. Woo!
Should
Excellent
have a good day, boys.
Well, guys, we've had an exceptional morning out with Dave Austin, Mr Squid, and the guys catching squid. I think we got 30 in total. What I want to do now is show you my simple method on how to clean one. Now, my simple method in cleaning the squid is fairly simple. We just flip him over, and I want to avoid all the ink. So what I do is I just take my knife under there, under its belly, and just cut forward. Just using the tip of the knife so you don't cut the ink sac. And I run the knife all the way up and out the end, like so. Now that is the ink sac in there, that silver bag. So we're going to try and avoid bursting that if we can. So what I do is then just grab the head and run my fingers underneath, like so, and I should be able to just simply lift up and take the gut and the head and the ink sac out all in one go. I'll just put that aside. And then we've got the feather to remove, which is the support system for the squid. And that's pretty easy to come out as well. There it is. And you can see I've avoided the ink, so there's no mess on there. Okay, so nice and clean. Flip him over and just run your thumb and forefinger under the flaps, and you should be able to just peel him off in one go. And that'll remove all the skin as well. As you can see, it's all coming off. Now you can eat the flaps as well. They're quite edible. And also to the head section. So we'll just put our tube aside for a second. With the head, you can cut it off just in front of the eye socket, like that. Pop the beak out. That's the little beak in there. It's like a little parrot's beak, which they use to feed with. Okay, we'll put that aside. And then you've got the tentacles you can eat and a lovely tube of squid. So I'm going to give that a good rinse now. I'm going to pop it into a small container, okay, and then get that down onto ice. And then later on, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to cook a nice squid feed. Well guys, as promised, I said we'd cook up the squid. We've had a great day out in the water with Dave and his mates today. So I've got a beautiful piece of squid here that we're going to cook up on the barbecue. Very simple, fast and easy way to do it. So let's get started. Okay, really simple guys. Just take your squid. We always cut that little section off at the end there. It tends to be a little chewy, that's at the end of the hood. I then run the knife down through the centre of the squid, like that. And then I'm just going to cut it into little bite-sized pieces, like that. And you do that to both sides of the squid. Okay, the first step is some olive oil. And then on goes our squid. Now it cooks pretty quick, so just keep your eye on it and keep moving it around. And once it turns white, it's pretty much cooked. Now at this stage now, a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. And that's looking pretty good. Let it sit there for a minute. And like I said, it's a simple, easy way. You can do this in the fry pan as well. You don't have to do it on the barbecue. And you can see it's all going nice and white. The end of the tentacles are starting to coil up nicely. Just turn that heat up a little bit. Probably only takes 5 minutes, maybe a bit less. Just gauge it by watching how fast it's cooking. And you don't want to overcook it. Now it's just about done. What I like to do now is just a squirt of lemon juice. And turn the heat off now, that's ready. And while it's sitting there on the plate, I'll just put a little bit of sweet chilli sauce in it, not too much, just a little bit through there. You could use hot chilli if you wanted to, if you like a little bit more bite. And there we go. That is ready to be brought off. There's definitely nothing hard about cooking squid. Well, there you go, guys. Squid cooked on the barbecue. How easy was that? Now guys, tune in next week for another fantastic clip on The Hook and the Cook. Please subscribe to our channel. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And we'll see you guys on the water next week somewhere. Cheers.